All right, motorcycle enthusiast and AMRA subscribers. There's about 1 million videos out there on rebuilding your brake calipers. And a couple of friends of mine told me it was really easy. Go ahead and do it. Do it. How come you're not doing it? It's so easy. Well, subscribers, that's why I'm making this video. It has not been easy. And actually, I've been having brake problems for over a season. Last year, in a couple of track days, I had to, I didn't pull out, but I wasn't able to really ride hard because I didn't have brakes, because of brake fade. So I'm hoping this fixes it. Like I said, it has not been easy. There's about 1 million videos out there. I decided to make another one, add one more to the internet. And it's been a struggle. What I ended up deciding to do, I tried to use compressed air. And then I grabbed these pieces of metal from my toolbox to use as spacers. So that way, for example, with this guy, I could close the caliper and not have it closed all the way. So that way I could, so it doesn't lock up on me and then I can't open it. Which I'm glad I did, because actually, working on the left side, I forgot to put this spacer in, and this did close up. And I had one heck of a time opening it. I used this this putty knife to open it. I was able to finally get it open, but basically wasn't easy. And this whole process isn't easy. Like I said, I had a couple of friends recommend, oh, just do it. It's so easy. Rebuild them. It has not been easy. And then when I asked one of my friends about it, he says, nothing's easy. That was his disclaimer. Nothing's easy, but you could do it. So here I am working on it. And watching videos online, and ultimately, I watched some videos today. Ultimately, it looks like it's just a lot of elbow grease, patience, and that's what's going to do it. I was able to almost get these two guys out. These two guys, I almost got them out, but I ran out of space and I couldn't. So what I decided to do was compress them. I'm going to compress them with my clamp, which is over there on the table. That little clamp and piece of wood, so I could protect my calipers. And my plan is to compress them and then pull these guys out. That's kind of the plan. And just to show you what's going on the other side, this is what, the right caliper on my 2013 ZX6R. And then this is the other side. This is the left caliper, which I loosened up. And this is more or less it. So this is kind of like a before shot. None of these are coming out very easily. And what I was doing, I tried to use, I took this apart and I used compressed air and I couldn't get them out. So since I couldn't get them out, I reassembled it, put some old brake fluid in, because I didn't want to use new brake fluid. This brake fluid from 524, which we know that brake fluid is, if we didn't know, you know now, it's hygroscopic. so absorbs moisture from the air. So basically, once this is open, it's going to absorb moisture. It's kind of use it right away or throw it out. So I had that, and I'm using that just to, I was just using that. I put a little mark on my master cylinder. That's kind of like the upper level, maximum upper level. You do not want to fill these all the way up because you can blow your seals. What I learned through this racing process is people do blow their seals when they have them filled up. So where it says upper, you don't want to go there. Don't go there. And so subscribers, this is the before. I do also have some a lot of my supplies here. I got new brake pads. I got new disc rotors from GBrakes, and some tools to do the job. Some excellent brake fluid. Well, I'm hoping it's excellent racing brake fluid, high temp stuff. So, as usual, I try to do a job, I take it to the next level. Better than OEM. That's always my goal. Better than OEM, which isn't easy when you have a design team making these things. Doing better than them, it's not easy. So that's a pretty lofty goal. That's a goal that I always have. So, AMRA subscribers and motorcycle enthusiasts, wish me luck. You will be seeing another video too as this progresses. And like I said, it has been far from easy, but it's going to get done. Ciao.